2013 was an amazing year for Hotchkis Sport Suspension, and we're excited to announce a wide range of new products being released for 2014. First up is the new total vehicle system for the 1964.5 to 1970 Ford Mustang. In stock form, the first generation Mustang is anything but a corner car. But now, enthusiasts can completely transform the ride and handling of their pony cars using nothing but basic hand tools to add the new Sport Coil Springs, Sport Leaf Springs, front and rear Sport Sway Bars, and Hotchkis tuned monotube shocks. Though the whole install can be completed in just a few hours, the results are nothing short of amazing. The pronounced body roll and slow transitions of the stock suspension has been replaced by flat, confident cornering, giving the driver a new level of control over their car. Another new product being introduced for 2014 are the Hotchkis tuned Adjustable Performance Series monotube shock absorbers. For these new shocks, we utilize some of the most cutting-edge testing equipment available to perfectly tune the damping rates to meet the needs of the performance driving enthusiast while still remaining comfortable enough for the street. After initial benchmarking on the shock dyno and road testing, we headed to the 4-post shaker rig to precisely dial in the valving and range of damping adjustment to deliver unparalleled control and comfort. The result of this extensive development is a cutting-edge monotube shock with 22 levels of rebound adjustment that is a direct bolt-in replacement for the factory units. More exciting news is that our new East Coast facility, Hotchkis Performance East, is up and running in Mooresville, North Carolina, manufacturing all Hotchkis chassis bracing components, but also offering suspension installation, custom fabrication, and other performance services. One of the latest projects taking place at Hotchkis Performance East is this 1976 Dodge Dart being rebuilt from the ground up to compete in races like the Targa Newfoundland and Pikes Peak. After stripping the car down to its shell, Hotchkis Performance East constructed a full FIA legal roll cage. They also custom fabricated new engine mounts and a transmission crossmember to bolt the modern Hemi and Tremec transmission into place. At the Hotchkis headquarters in Southern California, we have been quite busy overhauling comedian Adam Carolla's historic Paul Newman race cars. This Nissan 300ZX race car was stripped down to its bare frame and is being rebuilt for Adam to race at the 2014 Monterey Historics later this summer. Other new products launching this year include sway bars for the new Dodge Dart and the Volkswagen Golf R. And coming soon, Hotchkis by C&R Radiators, a new line of bolt-in radiators designed to meet the specific needs of pro touring cars and trucks.